Hello and welcome to second lecture of Google Ads course. So in today's course we will listen from first objective of Google Ads campaigns. Okay, here we have signed up. We are signed in now. Okay, after signing in you will see that you can create a campaign. So in this lecture we will be fully understanding how to create a campaign with the first objective mentioned in Google Ads. So you simply have to click on new campaign here. Just click on new campaign. So we'll be choosing our first objective. It's saying what's your campaign objective. So we'll be doing all these 8 objective things one by one, but first here in this second lecture we are going to optimize the sales campaign objective. This is for driving sales online, in app, by phone or in store. So we'll click on in sales. Here we will click on sales, the objective. So here it's saying use these conversion goals to improve sales, right? The first conversion goal is phone call leads, and the second conversion goal is submit lead forms, right? And this is for call for ads, and this is for website. So we are just clicking on continue. So here it's saying select a campaign type, like you can even select search, like how your customer will reach you, like from search box, like if somebody is coming from Google search. And then performance max is the type where reach audience across all of the Google with a single campaign, and then display run different kinds of ad across the web, and then promote your products with shopping ads, and then reach your engaged viewers on YouTube and across the web, and run ads on YouTube, Gmail, Discover and more, right? So in search, if you click on search, like reach customer interested in your product or services with text ads. So you will be select the ways you would like to reach your goal, like after searching in Google search, how would you like to reach your customers, like through you want to forward them to your websites or through phone calls or your store visits or app downloads. So we'll be selecting website visits, right? So here you can enter your website, like we have entered our website here. So the campaign name, you can make any campaign. This is for us, for Google Ads. So here you can make any name, like Google search, right? Type. So clicking on continue. When you will click on continue, you see it's asking for budget, like daily budget. Let me make it 500 PKR daily. So it's asking me now for bidding. What do you want to focus on? Like on conversions, conversion value, other optimization options, clicks, impression share. So the recommended one is conversions, right? Because we are going to make a sale campaign with such type, so conversion will be definitely our objective, and it's also recommended. This campaign will use the maximum conversions based strategy to help you get the most conversion for your budget, right? So you can also select set a target cost, but this will not make any difference at the very beginning. Once you will go through these campaigns time by time, you will understand that how things works. So in more settings, we will be seeing that ad rotation, optimize, prefer best performing ads. Well, we will be editing this. So we'll make it default, optimize, prefer best performing ads at the beginning, and then you can click on next. Now it will be asking for campaign settings, like where do you want to show your ads, in the search network or in the display network, right? So display network is something like on different networks in Google other than search. So here in the locations, do you want to show these in all countries or just in some specific country or just in United States? So here you see we have selected United States country, right? And then it's asking for English or language, and it's English by default selected. Audience segments, here you can select segments of your audience, but I prefer not to select anything, so it will default all the audience, right? And then dynamic search ad setting, like here select the domain and language to use for all the dynamic ads. So here dynamic search ads target relevant searches automatically based on your website, then use headlines automatically customized to people actual searches. We will be selecting use Google index of my website, so it's okay, and then click on more settings. So you want to make it daily for 500 rupees until there is one option, like if the budget ends, the ad stops performing, or you can also define the end date, but it's better to have not decide end date because it will make it run very quickly. So schedule, you can also schedule accordingly. Most of the time, if you select any time, like morning 8 a.m. to 6 p.m. or 5 p.m., then at the very beginning it will not make full spending, but it will be good to have every time enabled all days to make it fast running, right? And then we have start and end days. We have campaign URL options. In the campaign URL options, you can also select your custom URLs. Okay, and then click on next. Okay, in here you see that it's asking for campaign targeted settings. So here we are into ad groups now. Okay, and you can also get keyword suggestions from here, just like here you see we are searching for t-shirts, right? So you can make many keywords in it, like you can put a product or service name here specifically, not keywords, right? So just like online shopping, and then in the keywords you can select keywords regarding your specific niche. You can get the keywords from trends, like Google Trends. It will give you maximum keywords according to your specific service or your website or your store. So t-shirts, we are searching for t-shirts. You can also select your desired country from here, right? So just like this, we are searching t-shirts in United States. So you can see the trend here. You can also get the related rising queries here. You can also get top queries from here. So if you are clicking writing, that data are going to increase with huge increase in percentage. So you can just click on this CSV download button, and you see that we have downloaded all these queries here. So you can also copy it from here, just like this. Click on share, and then you see that once you are going to because we are just copying these keywords. Okay, it's not giving us any keywords here. So basically the reason is that we have installed Word like CSV program to open these. So let me check if this works. Okay, it's not working. So you see, you can also make it like this, and then in Notepad you can paste these things. So this is the best way of copying keywords for your Google Ads campaign. This same strategy can also be used for for SEO. Like if you are going to put some keywords in your live website, then this will be also a good thing, just like this. So we will be putting commas inside keywords. So here, after here, you see the same keywords or word or phrases that are used to measure ads with the terms people are searching for. And then here you see you can also put a final URL, so you can make not to include HTTPS protocol and display path. In the display path, you see that the path fields are part of your display URL, the green text under your headline text. Like if you want to make it on ecompremium.com/something somewhere, just like this, right? And in the headlines, best t-shirts for sale. Awesome t-shirts. One button t-shirts. So keep in mind to include maximum headlines. Best t-shirts in the market to buy. You also have to keep in mind not to steal from these numbers practice. So in the description, best t-shirts on sale, t-shirts for discount. So here you see when we are putting these things are filling up like unique, make description unique, like close for discount, best shares for sale. So okay, now you see we have filled in the headings best pajamas, awesome shirts, and then best button clothes, and then products in the market. So when you is saying that it's poor as and try. So in the headline you see best down for sale in city, awesome is weird. Okay, you can click on view ideas and it's saying order online, shop online today, and you see get in touch, call us now, and other ideas or experience, opinion, popular keywords. So you can also put these keywords in your headlines. So you see most of the things are covering now. Okay, here you see it's giving us suggestions and we are filling up the suggestions. So you have noticed that most of the things are in here in the descriptions. Instead of this, you can put this keys. So after putting clothing, so is years. Okay, here in ideas you can also get ideas. So we're saying no suggestions available. Okay, we did our best. Now it's saying AdSense good, and after this you have to click on next, right? So in here you can add also these things like this. You can even add site links extensions, but it's not recommended. These things follow the extensions. Just click on next. So here it will ask you to review your campaign. It's saying add extensions to boost campaign performance, right? So okay, we will click on fix it. Site link test. Just appears to buy. I'm just filling it out. You can even make it just like what you want. You can do more work on keywords and these things, so make it better, right? Okay, saying duplicate, so we'll see what thing is duplicate now. Let's go present. Okay, here. Okay, saying that the final URL must be unique, right? Now we'll click on next. Okay, it's asking for another one. Here collections, sales, collections, and then here you see you can add. So these requirements are fulfilled now. Okay, now it's giving us this thing. Once we click on next, okay, it's almost complete. You can also do work on some other extensions. And in here you see once you will publish campaign, you will see that it will be in review, and after 1 or 2 days your campaign starts spending, your ads start spending, and you will be seeing all the impressions and everything just we are seeing already. So this was the second lecture on Google Ads course for first campaign objective with first campaign type sales. Thanks for watching. Bye bye. Don't forget to subscribe. Have a great day. Take care.